All right, another quiet weather day, though temperatures still running below normal, topping out mid and upper 20s this afternoon. And conditions tonight ideal for the temperatures to fall off rapidly, so it'll be quite cold later on. Take a look at live pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. No surprise, we're not finding any precipitation, not a cloud in the sky, very dry, and that'll be pretty much be the theme right through the overnight hours. Clear in Providence and quiet, 25, wind chill at 16, so this light breeze makes the 25 feel a little colder. Look how dry the humidity is, very low at 33%. Now, temperatures usually fall pretty rapidly when skies are clear, the air is dry, and the winds are light, and we have all that. And of course, when you have a snowpack on the ground, the temperatures at night fall even faster, so they'll be tumbling later on. 22 already in Cumberland, well below freezing. Coventry at 22 as well. Johnston 24, East Providence 25, along the South Shore in the upper 20s. Westerly's at 25, and New Bedford coming in at 27 degrees. Satellite photo shows some cloudiness very early this morning, scooting out to sea. It's fairly quiet across the northeast right now, not finding any precipitation as the colder air is setting up right on top of us and already in the single digits just over the border in Canada. So we'll see some single digits here by tomorrow morning. So colder tonight under crystal clear skies, 11 o'clock in the evening, 17. But late at night while we're sleeping towards early tomorrow morning, only 12 above at 5 a.m. So a very cold start to the day. A morning commute looks dry and sunny. 13 at sunrise, which is at 6:43, 23 later on in the morning. And then during the afternoon hours, much like today, plenty of sunshine, but really not helping the temperatures that much. Mid and upper 20s by around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Take a look at the futurecast for your tomorrow afternoon. More sunshine and cold, upper 20s to low 30s. Boaters, southwest breeze at around 10 to 15. Coventry at 27, mid 20s, around 25 to 27 in our northern suburbs. Woonsocket at 27 degrees. Out across southeastern Massachusetts, around 30 near the water with the wind coming in off the water, slightly milder. Seacock 28 as well as Swansea. Even though it's cold right now and it will warm up a little bit over the weekend, we are seeing signs next week of a major change in the weather pattern starting on Wednesday. When we talk about change in the pattern, we're usually referring to the jet stream. Now, so far this winter season, the storm track has looked something like this. The air coming out of Canada in this kind of a flow has been conducive to big East Coast storms. That's the way it looks now. But watch by the middle of next week, the air no longer coming out of Canada, but rather the storm track is in such a fashion that we're now getting air coming in off the Pacific Ocean, which is milder. So starting the middle of next week and beyond, kind of a flip in the weather pattern. In fact, by Wednesday and Thursday of next week, 40s to perhaps near 50 degrees. In the meantime, it's cold tomorrow. Temperatures moderate a little bit over the weekend with some extra clouds. There may be a few light rain and snow showers late Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening into Monday morning. Not a big deal. And despite one very cold day on Tuesday, that pattern change starts the middle and the end of next week with temperatures perhaps between 45 and 50, and that'll do some melting. That doesn't necessarily mean that winter is over, but for now, we get a little bit of a break next week as far as the air not coming out of Canada, but off the Pacific Ocean, and that means some melting. So something to look forward to if you're tired of the snow and ice, I think.
We would like to welcome the Pacific air here.
There we go. Most of us are tired of the snow and the ice.
Thanks, Tom.
All right.
Coming up, it's the most unusual and energy-efficient trash can that you'll ever see. I'm Pete Mangione at Brown University, and I'll have the story coming up next.
Then new at 6.